What's up, guys? Endzone here. Welcome to Endzone reacting. Today we're going to react to another video. Bye. Then there's a very nice. And this video is called Lioness Tracks a Little Too Close.
Hello, everyone. This is your daily dose of internet.
Nothing else. Jesus. What the fuck? Wow.
This supermom saw the reflection of a falling book off the TV and saved her child from getting hit.
Wow. Addicted your fellows, okay? Well, help.
One of my subscribers recorded this video of a whale inhaling the bubbles coming out of a dolphin.
The dolphin looks so happy.
Hola, soy Dora. Can you say puedes hacerme un sándwich? That means can you make me a sandwich in
A package was stuck at a UPS shipping facility.
Oh,
This person was
it
trying to
died.
drive with their front hood up.
Go back. Wow. Wow.
Have you ever seen fireworks like this before? These fireworks
No,
can do
never.
this in the sky.
Oh, look, it's a frog.
About a week ago, New York City was hit by a tropical storm, and as a result, everyone's toilets started to overflow.
Oh no! Oh like, oh no! Oh, it's gonna bite! It's gonna bite! It's gonna bite! I think I watched this video. It's gonna bite! Oh! Okay.
I dug a hole in the sand so his pregnant partner could lie in her stomach. One of my subscribers really wanted everyone to see their pet praying mantis, so here you go. That's the end of this video. I really hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys again very soon. Later.
Oh my God! More new commercials! Yay! Why spot? Why was you spot ads? Thank you. Anyways, if you like this video, just give a like, leave a comment down below, subscribe to the channel, and also follow my social link down below description. See you guys next time. Bye.